Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at the Old Art Gallery, one of Leamington's most exceptional and beautiful conversions. The property offers 4 bedrooms, 2 outside spaces, 2 parking spaces, and it's just a short stroll to the Leamington train station and the Leamington Parade. Let's take a look inside. Be prepared to be wowed by this absolutely amazing home. You've joined me in one of 2 of the outside spaces of this incredible home, which is really unique in the town centre. The property is located just minutes from the Leamington train station, where you can get to London in just over an hour or Birmingham within 30 minutes. The property offers 2 secure parking spaces, bike storage, and just over the bridge and across the river, you're at the bottom of Leamington's famous Parade, where you'll find boutique shops, independent restaurants and bars. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this amazing property. This really is a rare opportunity to acquire one of Leamington's most impressive and stunning homes. If you'd like more information, please do contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.